This is Morganite Vault, where insight shines.
Are you tired of harsh chemicals ruining your home? Let's switch to rice water. It's simple. Just soak 1 cup of white rice in 2 cups of water. Give it a good swirl until the water turns milky, then strain it. Now take that rice water and dip a cloth in it. Clean your dishes, countertops, appliances, shower doors, and even toilet bowls. It's fantastic for removing stuck-on dirt and mild rust stains. But avoid using it on greasy surfaces or unsealed stone and grout. And don't forget, store any leftover rice water in the fridge for up to a week. Give rice water a try and make your home sparkle naturally.
If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more deep dives like this. And if you think someone else might enjoy, go ahead and share it with them.